One of the things that we love most about LED strip lights is their flexibility, both literally and figuratively. And no other LED tape quite embodies this concept than our 14W Aon RGB LED strip light. Let's take a closer look to find out why. The most striking thing about this tape is the sheer array of colours available to you. But for now, I want to talk about how that colour is delivered, namely in this single continuous beam. This is thanks to the cob chips used in the tape, and this gives you a much nicer delivery of light compared to normal strips, which have this very noticeable dotting effect. Now, in practical terms, what this means is you can use them pretty much anywhere, including places where they might be in plain view, and as a result, you don't necessarily need to use a diffuser to even out the distribution of light. Speaking of the light, let's talk about those colours. The RGB chips in this tape are capable of producing millions of colours and shades, including a rendered white, where it creates white by combining all the different colours together, provided you use a controller that is capable of doing so, which is why we'd recommend the EasyLight 5-in-1 Wi-Fi controller, as you can use it with a compatible remote control or your smartphone, which of course includes compatibility with Alexa and Google Assistant. Now, when buying your Aon RGB tape, it's super important to know that this tape runs at 24 volts. So when picking out your power supply, you must ensure that it is 24 volt and that you have the correct capacity, as if you have an underpowered power supply, you'll burn out the tape and the driver. And if it's a 12 volt driver, the tape won't turn on. But once it's on, you get to enjoy all those awesome colours and create all kinds of moods for any setting, like kids' bedrooms, gaming rooms, or even living rooms. You can create soft evening vibes with a faded orange, or get your favourite team's colours on for match day at the weekend. The choice really is yours. And best of all, they don't even cost much to run at all. At just 14 watts per meter, 3 meters would cost you just a penny an hour. So even if you're thinking of running longer lengths for more complex setups, you don't need to worry about racking up high bills. Now, whichever lengths you do run, it's available in 62.5mm intervals. So that's 6¼ centimeters. So it's great for both smaller installations and larger setups. And you can even install them outside, as this tape is available in both IP20 for indoor use and IP67 for outdoor use, making them a great option for modernising your garden or patio area. Now, if you need any further information about our 14W Aon RGB LED tape, you're in the right place, as we're experts in all things LED strip light. So just pick up the phone and give us a call on 0116 321 4120, or send us an email to sales@wled.co.uk. You can also get in touch on our Facebook and Instagram pages too. Just DM us the word tape and we can have a chat about what you need from your LED strips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.